At this time, we're not having walk-in visitors. We are occasionally scheduling for certain pets. If people are interested in viewing the animals that we have available for adoption, their best bet is to look at our website, which is updated regularly, and they can view those animals. We're available 24 hours a day. On there, you'll find pictures of the animals, you'll find bios, meaning their biography that we write up about them, everything that we know about them, their behavior, likes, dislikes, things like that. When possible, we also include videos of the animals who are available. If someone is interested in a particular animal, then they would want to fill out a questionnaire that is available online. They would fill that out and then they would send that in to us via email. At that point, we'll have one of our adoption counselors who will take over the process, and it's going to be all virtual, so meaning via email, over the telephone, and occasionally we'll do Zoom calls as well. If someone is interested in a particular pet, but it is already adopted or it's in the queue or being held for someone else who is interested in adopting who has already contacted us, then we would just have them revisit the website, keep an eye on it. We have animals being made available for adoption every day. Of course, we always have dogs, we always have cats. What people don't always realize is that we have a fair amount of small mammals here too available for adoption, so that would include guinea pigs, rabbits. We also have parakeets, sometimes reptiles and amphibians as well. If anyone wants more information about the adoption process, particularly now during the pandemic, they can find that information online on our website.